Richardsons is a great team. We all feel like one big family. We've all come from different backgrounds and there's always different people doing different things. So it feels great to be a part of the big family.
Regarding boating, certainly in Norfolk, we're very, very well known, I would say sort of globally really. You know, our brand is well out there now and people would recognise the branding if they've been on a boating holiday, you know, so we've been at it many years.
And I think it's really nice we've got that history, you know, from the boating side of things and how we're then expanded into the holiday parks. Yeah, it's really unique way how we do things here because we're, as much as we're a big company, it's very family orientated as well. Our team aren't just numbers.
The people make this company. I mean, the support that I receive from above and below is immense. So yeah, I can't be thankful enough for what Richardsons has done for me since I've been here.
The fact that they give us a chance to grow in the company, and they invest a lot in training and development for their staff. And just the fact is that we can grow and grow in this company and work ourselves higher and be the best versions of ourselves.
They're not just making a business, they're making a community.
We're all just one big family, really. We're all very good friends and we all help and support each other.
Everyone is there for each other and they help each other out. And so it's just really nice to know that you actually mean something to someone.
I love this job so much and it's just such a sense of pride when I see what we can produce for our guests.
What makes me proud with my job is seeing how people enjoy kind of being on holiday. It's their time to kind of enjoy themselves. So them coming here to Richardsons, seeing them enjoy it and knowing that you're the one bringing them joy is one of the best parts of the job.
Working at Richardsons is good fun. When I came first time, I didn't speak any English and I can't believe that I am now team leader and I am actually proud and company. They let me to go up.
My progression within Richardsons has been really good. I started off as a general team member and then managed to progress my way from there and then up to here as a marine engineer.
They offer us special courses, discounts, which is great if it's my day off because it's not just for me, it's for my family as well, so I can take them out for a meal or on a boat or even have a holiday here with a discount.
I've personally made a lot of friends working here. Some friends that I will have for the rest of my life.
We're a big family team, that's what it is. We enjoy it. We come to work to enjoy our job.
It's just a good job. Just is a good job, you know. People ask me why I like it here, and I often say, look out in the river and the water and the sun is all on it, what better could you have?
I mean, I've seen a lot of progression in the company in these last 7 years in terms of investment. I mean, it's not profits being taken out of the company, it's profits being reinvested into the staff in terms of pay increases, it's profits being reinvested into the actual product that we're offering to our customer. It's just nice to see that ongoing development year after year and just how much the business improved. If you think where this business started, I mean, you're talking about 80 odd years ago with Mr. Richardsons with a couple of boats, and now look where we are now. We've got the boating operation at Stalham, we've got the holiday park at Hemsby, we've got bowling alleys, amusement arcades. I mean, from where it was to where it's come from and where the future looks like it's taking us to, I mean, where else would you want to work?